Want to create this in 1 minute? Open After Effects and wait until it opens. Import the video in After Effects. You can also get this video in description. Go to the Windows menu and open the tracker. Now make sure your video is selected and go to the tracker. Now it will take a few minutes until we do some advanced control. Go to the Effect Control panel and enable Detailed Analysis. Now you can see dots on wall. If it is not, go to the Effect Control panel and increase or decrease the size of track point size. Now, go to the wall and right-click on any point. Create solid and camera. Now import your image or logo on top layer. Make sure this icon is enabled. Now enable this 3D icon of image. Hold Shift and drag the spiral-like icon to solid layer. To remove this solid color, you need to close this little eye icon. Now you can see the solid color is removed. Then we need to adjust the image position. To adjust this, go to the transform and set your image. Here we go.